beautiful horsey. Is that a blow up? It's like hard plastic on it. I don't want to touch it. Tire. We'll get a wheel on that.
Come on, light it up. Thank you. Actually.
And then that's going.
Oh my God, Joey's back in the roller and dragging it again.
What?
This guy. Walker Farms is donating new tires for the roller. Everyone give a big shout out to Dale Walker. I don't know where this guy's from, but he's awfully nice. Oh, what? Oh, yeah, that's all he got.
Same place. When you're spinning gears. What the fuck?
What are we doing?
Pretty cool though.
Just that. 50s. That's a 14.3 mile an hour, kid. Where we go? Not looking out for you. Alright, green light here. Very close now. Ooh,
real high here.
Did they come out of it? What's he doing? Oh, stop before 75. Yeah. He's going back. Yeah, you can tell Billy's hooked once or twice. Because I probably would have let it ride and just snuffed the whole way down the track, so.
Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit.
There we go, now he's on top of it. Oh! Wow! Yeah, 21 over, that sucks. 1466, box truck, turning their head. Oh, the other floor back?
Cool.
Ride? 291! God, how did you go over it? It's not faster!
The tires though.
Yeah, it's fun!
It's too high of a gear.
Love that gun.
Nice tire.